So for the pattern and texture project, you need to go to Spark, log into your school account, use Google. Then go to a custom size shape. So this one, remember I said you could set the size, just do it in inches. So if you want to do a rectangle, you can do a rectangle. If you want to do a square, you can do a square. So I'm just going to do an 8" by 8". But again, you can set the size. So for this one, you're going to come down to icons, choose something you're going to use to make your pattern. So basically, you're just going to repeat this in kind of an orderly way. So example, I could use this little starburst. Shrink it down a little bit so I can fit some across. And then duplicate over here. And right now, I'm not worried about color. I'm more worried about just kind of creating my pattern. So when I get it kind of spaced the way I want, hold the Shift key, select all three, duplicate, duplicate again. So there's my pattern. It's okay if you have a little space on the side. It's up to you. If you really want to get rid of it, we can get rid of it. Now, there's your pattern. So the next part is the texture, and that would be under Design Assets. And either you can type in texture, or if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see some textures. If you click on more, it'll show there's a bunch of them. So there's wood, there's stone, there's a little cracked, there's tape residues, there's denim, there's fabrics. So ideally choose one and then move it so that it's over your pattern. Decide if you want to put it in front, behind. Remember, you can adjust your layer order. So if I send it behind, goes to the back. And then I'm going to come over here, turn image X off, click on color. It'll give you a bunch of little color choices. So you can play around with which one you want to do. But if you find one you like, you can click on it. And again, you can scroll through. So if that one doesn't like, you may want to test out a different one. Again, see if you find one you like. When you find one you like, download the JPEG. And there's pattern and texture.